one of the area's largest preschool programs. These kiddos choose how they learn. Pipster Prep owner Tessa Steinberg wants to give every kid the same opportunity.
We cost kind of what the going rate is to cost for preschool. And, it is hard. It's not accessible for a lot of families.
She's excited about the promise that quality education will be more accessible through the new Preschool for All program. The program was created when voters in Multnomah County passed a new tax last year that promised to cover preschool tuition for every 3- and 4-year-old in the county.
I'm hoping to obviously be one of the first providers to be able to jump on board, because it sounds like there's going to be a lot of support for the providers as far as helping us pay our teachers better.
Despite her excitement, Steinberg might be waiting a while before she sees any kids enrolled through Preschool for All. The first kids to benefit from the program won't see their tuition covered until fall 2022. And even then, the county expects to only enroll between 500 to 1,000 kids at first, out of an estimated 11,000 eligible preschoolers. After that, the program will grow incrementally until the end of the decade. The county estimates they won't have enough money to cover all preschoolers until 2030. Multnomah County Commissioner Jessica Vega Peterson championed the program.
And we have thousands of children in this county that don't have the opportunity to succeed. All of us as a community benefit from this long-term stable impact in preschool that's going to improve educational outcomes, economic outcomes.
The county's new preschool and early learning division director, Leslie Barnes, says kids who don't have any access to preschool will get first dibs.
It's going to be difficult to make those choices, and it'll be hard to hear probably for some families.
Preschools can apply this fall to participate, while families will apply early next year. Barnes says they're reaching out to providers now. But like every preschool owner I heard from, Steinberg needs more answers about how the program will work.
I believe in the overall mission of it, for sure. And I think that it will be a really good thing for our city. It's just a matter of working out all the logistics.
Preschool for All will be paid for with a new income tax that started this year on high-income earners. Joint filers making over $250,000 are taxed at 1.5%. Those making over $400,000 are taxed at 3%. The rates rise in 2026. People who make that amount and work in Multnomah County will get taxed, even if they don't live in the county. If the pace of the rollout seems slow, consider the logistics involved in creating a new tax. The county had to come up with a way to collect the tax. They're paying the city of Portland to do that. It also won't see most of the revenue from the first year until next April, when 2021 taxes are due. County economists consider the tax a, quote, volatile revenue source, since incomes go up and down.
The underlying economic activity that the tax applies to, it just tends to go up pretty quickly during economic expansion and go down quickly during recessions.
Over the next fiscal year, starting in July, the new tax is expected to bring in about $108 million. Revenue should rise to $147 million 4 years later. That's much less than proponents pitched to voters before putting it on the ballot. Much of the initial money will go to prep work this next year. None of it pays for kids in actual seats yet. The county also plans to hold some of the initial tax revenue in reserves for the future. As they add more slots, some years will be more expensive than others.
So this has been part of the problem the whole time. We're implementing what we're calling revenue smoothing, where we're collecting a little bit more than we need for any particular year in the beginning, but we're setting that aside for when we experience deficits later on.
In addition to covering tuition, the county also has to focus on growing preschool capacity. During the pandemic, Multnomah County lost about 36% of its child care providers.
And before the pandemic, there was already a child care desert.
Barnes says the county is investing in infrastructure and looking into ways places can expand easier.
What are the things that we can do to make those barriers go away?
Some providers worry the county is running out of time to grow the system before more kids enter it.
There's not enough spaces that have the correct occupancy to be childcare centers. All of our locations are usually full every year, and so it really would be finding additional space in order to grow.
Morgan Romero, KGW News.